Hello everybody, my name is Mark. Welcome to another one of my investing videos. And in this video, I am out and these are my positions right here on steel. I unloaded my put spread that I had opened up a couple weeks ago and I made some money. And let's look at the transactions here. So right here, and this would be on November the 7th of this year. Today is November the 21st. So exactly 2 weeks ago, I bought to open 6 put options on US Steel, ticker symbol X, strike price $12 at $345 a contract, expiration of 2022 of January. Those are the leaps. And then I began selling to open put options against those. And I was selling 12, not 6, but 12. So that kind of made it a ratio spread. And so the first week I brought in 51.98. The second week I brought in 51.98. But those ones I bought back for 40. So I didn't make the full. I made 51.98 minus 40. So I made about $18 on those. And the grand tally, when you add up all the green numbers, starting from there all the way down to here, when you add up all of those green numbers and you add up all the red numbers, my grand tally profit on the whole thing, I made $167.70 in 2 weeks. And just for fun, if you wanted to calculate the rate of return on the investment, you would take that $167 and divide it into the money at risk, which was this $2,074 that I bought to open those. And you will find that on the trade itself, I made an 8% return on that trade. And I took such a very small part of my money. I mean, if we go to my cash balances right here, I have $28,000 cash balance. I only took $2,000 of that. So I could have went in a lot more than I did, but and this is just my style. I like to start small and build up bigger and bigger, but maybe you're different. Maybe you want to put in 5 or 6,000, but imagine making an 8% return in 2 weeks on a single trade. That's what I just did. And so it's kind of fun, but I still say it all comes down to dollars and cents. How much money do you make? I don't care about percentages and rates of return. To me, I made $167 in 2 weeks, and I'm pretty happy with that. Now, let me show you why I decided to get out, okay? This here is a chart for steel, and this is just the 1-day chart. If we go to the 1-month chart, this right here is the pattern that I started trading off of. And this right here was the earnings that happened a couple weeks ago, and steel really went up a lot. And then steel came down, and when it popped up like this, that's when I got into the put spread, because I felt that it was a very safe level to trade, and I was right. And I've been trading at the $12 level. All of the puts that I've been selling to open were at the $12 strike. So I was really playing it safe, and I still did very well. That's one of the things that I really love about options, is that you can be very safe and still make very good money. But that's the pattern that I was trading. And then today, this happened today. This is the 1-day chart, and I was up early in the morning, and I saw all of this nonsense happen. And I also saw right there that there was some reasonable high volume, and so I thought, I'm not going to fool around. I'm going to take my profit. I got Thanksgiving coming up, and also I'm going to be going out of town here for the next couple of days, and I didn't want this hanging over my head, which goes to show that you got to have a clear mind if you're going to make the best decisions, because now, lo and behold, steel recovered and it ended way up there, and it's even still trading within the triangle. If we look at this triangle here, it's still well within the triangle, so it hasn't even broken out. So if it wasn't for all of that, and also the fact that I was up in the morning and I looked at all of this, and that proves another thing that I've been saying, that the sharp moves really don't mean anything. To me, it's all about these rounded curves, okay? The rounded curves, to me, are more stable indicators about what a stock might do. The sharp moves, who the heck knows? You know, it's going to go up and down like crazy, and that's what it did today. It made a sharp move, and I feel like I got out prematurely, but I still made $167, and I'm out, and I can always get back in the following week. And so that's the trade that I made. I really like option spreads. I favor them. I like to buy long and sell short. It's a wonderful way to make money, and you can do it very safely. So that's it for my video. Thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave one. Hit the like button, whatever you feel like doing. Thank you for watching. Have a good holidays, and I will see you soon. Ciao.